Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Monday, April 13th, 2020. I traded two stocks today live. One was Gilead, GILD, and then the other was RCL, Royal Caribbean. So starting with Gilead, had a decent catalyst regarding trials and testing out tests for the coronavirus or COVID-19. So was gapping up in the pre-market, and as we can see here, it reached the top around $76 and then kind of came down and was kind of hovering down. Then we saw it sell down even further, and then for a few minutes here on the 1 minute candle, it kind of just hovered right around $75. So I was looking at the L2, which obviously it's not live right now, but I saw there were scattered bids under $75, but it wasn't like rushing up to the top of the bid. Like it was trying to force the price down, at least in my knowledge, and there wasn't stacks below. It just kind of was there, and it just kind of slowly kept dipping down, taking a few shares, go back up, so it was kind of hovering. And then here, when I saw this volume pop up and kind of had a little long tail wick, kind of showed me that I had a little more long bias, because otherwise I thought it would have already fallen down by now or sold off by now. So I took a long position around $75, my stop loss being pretty tight at $74.90, which was basically the stop of this the bottom of this little wick here. So it was really tight. And then once I went long here, then it started gathering up and started popping up here. So I took a quick scalp at $75.15 for 15 cents. And then I kind of figured, okay, now this, I have some solid volume here, relative volumes here. So I thought it might continue. And I had this price level here. So I sold at $75.29, $75.19. And then I was just waiting to see if it would really break through. I thought this could be one of these really nice reversals. Went through VWAP, sold up at 75.52, and then here at the 50-day moving average at 75.58, and then it kind of sold off here, and then I got out right before breaking even pretty much at 75.02, and that was pretty much, it was a pretty good trade. I felt pretty confident in it. The risk was very small. Like I said, it was only 10 cents. So I was ready to bail out if it definitely broke down. But I definitely liked how it was just hovering and consolidating, and then this nice here volume bar with that created this extended wick here, kind of gave me a little confidence that it might be going towards the long side, at least temporary. And I actually thought this might bounce and go up, but unfortunately it did kind of come down. And then this is on Sim. I did some scalp trading there. And then quickly on RCL, really it was just the open. It kind of just hovered here, and then right here with the high of the day just kind of broke down. So I took a quick scalp around 36.08, and it was really just a scalp. The stop loss would have been here, and then I had a level here, so I covered at 35.77 for some profit. Covered again towards the bottom of the candle at 35.31, which is nice, and actually popped up, and it seemed like it was weak, like it was kind of like acting like it was going to take another breakdown below this candle. So actually added to my position, then covered, and then probably just got a little slippage there to break even. That was it for the first minute. Not ideal trade. It was really just kind of a feel trade, if you will. It wasn't anything particularly set up. I did like how it had come down from the pre-market high, I believe, here at this point, and then just kind of rode the momentum down. So anyway, that was my trading, couple trades, live trades today. I did some other sim. I'm really this week just getting focusing on my setups. I definitely say the Gilead one was definitely more to my liking. It wasn't even my perfect setup, actually. It was just reading the L2 and reading the volume and the consolidation, kind of seeing it was kind of painting a picture and just kind of going with that hypothesis and see if it worked out. And if it didn't, it would cost me 10-cent risk. I was willing to risk that for a potential gain, and I thought it actually would go a lot higher, but didn't. So anyway, that's my trading recap for today. Hope everyone else had a good day, had a green day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.